everybody, this is Kathy from Cats Out Create, and I am coming today with my second entry for my challenge giveaway. Yes, yay! And it is from Becky Long. She does have a YouTube channel on here on YouTube, so I will link her channel down in the description below. So let's go ahead and check it out. So let me go ahead and try to open it. I hope everybody had a good weekend this weekend. Mine was okay, can't complain. So let's go ahead and I see jelly beans. Oh my gosh, I am a candy fanatic. I love candies. Yeah, any kind of chocolate, any kind of candy, I love, as long as it doesn't have walnuts or coconut. But anything else, I love it. Yes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Trying to take my time so I could see it all. And here we go. And oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at you guys. Look at it's a wand. It is so beautiful. And right here it's a rosette with it looks like a paper rosette, and this looks like it's a chipboard, and she put a small little flower. I want to say it's a resin flower, and it's so cute. And then she put eyelash trim and some pearl beads, and she put some lace in here. Oh my gosh, you know, I'm gonna be honest, I actually saw her video, but I only saw her for the memory decks. For the rest, I kind of stopped it because I wanted to get a little surprise. So I did see her memory decks card, and look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness, you know, it is much more beautiful. Let me go ahead and cover her address before I continue showing you the rest, because I could see part of her address here. And let me see. I'm gonna use this. I don't want to show her address because, you know, for security purposes, you never know. You guys are not seeing this right. So there you go. Okay, so this is the back to her memory decks card. I went ahead and covered her address, and look at how beautiful, you guys. I wish you guys could see this. It looks so much better in person. It looks so beautiful. I love it. I don't know if she had that crippled paper, and she might have done a glitter, like a gold glitter to it. I don't know, but it is so beautiful. Like, you should see it. And these are cute butterflies. You could lift up her wings. Oh, that's so cute. And some beaded string pearls, and that are just dangling right here. How cute. And look at the designer paper that she used. That is so beautiful. It's so spring looking. And she put a hello sticky. I could be a die cut that she used right here. And here's another butterfly. And I don't know, can you guys see that? Look at the shimmering to that. That is so beautiful. Look at. And then she has, like, I think she said she punched, or she had these flowers, and look at, it's like the bucket is throwing a whole bunch of flowers onto the, you know, like, I want to say like kind of like a river of flowers. It is so beautiful. I wish you guys could really see this. It's so amazing. I just love her work. She does such beautiful work. And again, it is Becky Long, and her YouTube channel is also Becky Long. Her favorite color, any type of pastel. I think she said pastel color. Sorry, I covered it up. Crafty style is shabby chic. And I don't know if you guys want her email, but her crafty wish list would be stickles. Yeah, stickles. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it that way so nobody else could see it. And there you go. Let me see what else she. Go ahead and turn this over. And these are, let me see. Oh wow, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at these. This is the bag topper, and this is an embellished bag topper. It has a nice floral here and some little pearls on the top, and then she has this leaf. I want to say she could have used maybe Martha Stewart, the leaf punch, or I'm not too sure, but this looks like it's a punch. Could be a die cut, I could be mistaken. So there's one right there. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. She went ahead and put some beaded right here and some pom-poms. I think she's going to put the pom-poms and then the bead on top. This is so pretty. It's very creative. Like I said, I do not know how to do my bag toppers, so this is really nice. And I want to point something out. She did the blues and like teal colors, which I do love. Those are my favorite colors. And this is another bag topper. And don't know where she got this die cut, but this bow is so cute. And look at this pearl bead, a flat pearl bead. That is so cute. If you guys could see it. Sorry, I don't know if I'm in frame. I'm sorry. I'm like trying to look at it and show you guys, so I do apologize if I am not in frame. Look at this one too. I just wanted to show you really quick. Hopefully my camera's catching that. And this one. And then she also, oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness, she didn't have to put any bags, but she went ahead and she did this one as well. Sorry for the glare. I apologize. I had to put lights because it's all gloomy and cloudy here. Anyway, so she sent me die cut bag toppers, and it looks like in the back she inserted some cellophane bags. Thank you, Becky. That's so awesome of you. And I love this bow. I think this bow, I want to say it's from the Stampin' Up! Bow. I only want to say that because I have this punch and I love it. This is the best punch ever. If you guys ever find it, I do recommend it. I know I've been looking for another one because I'm afraid mine's gonna like stop working, and it's like $30 and I don't want to spend $30 on it. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. This is a loaded envelope, and oh my gosh, I wonder how she did this. Look at it has like a little pocket in the front. I don't know if you guys could see that. You see that? And I love how she did the pom-pom trim right here. It's basically following the same, almost the same design up here, down here, on here. And she has the pom-poms, and then she has a little small pearl beads up here. And these are really cute. I don't think I've ever seen those small. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it over here. I'm sorry. The pom-poms right here and the beads are right here. And it's so darn adorable. Let me move these a little bit. And this is oh my gosh, I forgot what these are called. It's those things that you twist when you're a little kid and you blew on it. What are they called? Oh my gosh, pinwheel. There you go. It took me a minute. Oh my gosh. And I believe it's, don't want to drop that. I believe this is a coffee stir stick that she colored. I want to say that's what she did here. And then right here she did a little glittering on the edges of the pinwheel. That is so nice. Look at, and then she put like a bead. I want to say it's probably like a brad, a flower brad, or it could be a bead. And it's so pretty. I love it. I love the colors. It's so beautiful. And there's this right here. I think this is I'm not too sure. I think it's just like a little embellishment, and this is so cute. I love it. Look at the butterfly. She coordinated everything really nicely. All the colors combine and complement each other. I wish I could do that a little bit more than what I do. And let me see. Let me take this out. Oh, and this is a tag. Look at how beautiful. You guys, when you guys receive something of Becky's, this is really, really lovely. It is beautiful. I mean, I can't even express how beautiful this looks. So I want to say this is a ticket, a tag that she has, and it has a nice butterfly. And here is another tag, and this one has small little I want to say they're enamel dots. They're really small and they're really, really cute. And this is a little a porcelain type of flower with the little bow and a heart in the back. This is so, so cute. And then this is so cute. I love this banner pieces. These are so awesome. Oh my gosh. So these are the banners, and I just realized this is a key. Look at, I don't know if you guys could see that. This is a key, and she put, I want to say, she might have stickled the flower, and this seems like it might be a porcelain flower, and she put enamel dots down the key. This is really, really creative. And then she put like a little ribbon on the top, tying it to the key right there. This is so cute. I love it. Let me see. Let me go ahead and check and see what else is in here. Look at this bag, is so beautiful. I wish you guys look at it. If you guys could see it. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Sorry, I'm like everywhere, all over the place. So these are some of her bows that she made, and these are really, really adorable. She put a bead on this one. She put another different type of bead, the ones that she like, the ones that she used on the bag toppers. I can't remember what it was. And then this one. This is really cute. I love this type of green. And I want to say that she probably die cut it. She this bow, and then she went ahead and cut it another bow, and she layered the top with a different type of paper on the top. So this is really beautiful. I love the bag topper. This is so cute. Oh my, she did a lovely job on these. Sorry for the glare. I do apologize. I'm trying to look at it at the same time I'm trying to show you guys. And then she added a little booklet. Oh, I thought it was like a little notepad booklet. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at she gifted me some more dies. These are doily dies. These are so lovely. I love them. I wonder what die she used. I'm gonna have to look at the whole video and check it out and see, maybe she mentions it on there or what, so that way I can find out. And look at these more bag toppers. Oh, and my favorite colors. I do love all these colors. These are really, really cute. This is cute. I thought it was a little notebook. You see, I didn't see the whole video. Oh, and this is another tag, and this is so beautiful. Look at, I love this tag. I love this design. I don't know where they got it at, and I really have to look into it, and I'm pretty sure Becky probably mentions it on her channel, so I will look at it to make sure. And look how beautiful. I wonder if she, because this one, I don't know if you see that shimmer on here. I'm wondering, it's not a sticker. I'm wondering if it's part of the paper pad or she shimmered it. It's really, really beautiful. And the bow, and look at this heart. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to show you. And it's a heart, but it's like a diamond, but it's like a cut. It's really, really nice. And that's it, I believe. So let me go ahead and put everything back here. And I want to thank you, Becky, for joining my challenge. I do really appreciate everything you send me. I love everything that you send me as well. Everything is such I mean, your work is so amazing. I can't say there's no words I can say to express how I feel about your work. You know, you just do such beautiful and amazing, you know, work, and I appreciate everything that you send me, you know, everything that you show us. And I just want to go ahead and lay all this out, so hopefully I can screenshot it right now as soon as I'm done with the video, so I could go ahead and also put it on as part. There you go. So anyways, you guys, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video. I do want to let you guys know that I did extend my due date, or the date line or the due date for this challenge giveaway. I'm sorry, I just can be everywhere at once and can't concentrate. That's probably what my problem is. Anyways, my new due date for the challenge will be May the 17th, so you still have time to enter my giveaway if you guys are still interested. And I thank you for everybody for your support. Becky, thank you again. This was so lovely. I am like speechless. Your artwork is speechless. It's beautiful. The memory decks card is so beautiful. I mean, I don't know what else to say. And well, anyways, thank you guys, and we will see you guys on our next video. You guys have an awesome day. Thank you again.